Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings, where creativity takes flight. Today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful circle drawing that will mesmerize anyone who sees it. So grab your pencil and let's get started. Begin by lightly sketching a circle and then add a small circle for the head in between the circle. Now add some intricate details to a dress of a girl. Started by drawing gentle curves and lines to create unique patterns on the dress. Feel free to get creative here as every girl has its own distinct markings. Once you are satisfied with the shape and details, darken the outlines and erase any remaining sketch lines. Now add some hearts hanging at the top of the circle. Experience the magic of inspiring art linkings, where each drawing is a testament to patience and passion. Watch as ordinary sheet of paper transforms into a breathtaking vistas under the skilled hand of inspired art linking. Delve into the artistic process from the initial sketch to the final masterpiece and uncover the secrets behind capturing the essence of landscape with just a pencil. Whether you are an art enthusiast or simply appreciate the beauty of nature, Inspire Art Linking is your gateway to a world where art and landscape seamlessly converge. Subscribe for a journey of inspiration and artistic wonder. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.